Hello, my name is Marina McMahon. I'm the CEO of Ger Credit Union, and today we are launching our Greenify loan product. And joining me today is Connor from Ashgrove Renewables. So he's going to tell us a little bit about the services that Ashgrove offer. So thanks very much, Connor, for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
And welcome to Scariff. So just firstly, what are the first steps someone should take when considering energy efficiency upgrades for their home or farm?
I suppose what I would say there is one of the best things you can do as a first step is obviously ring ourselves in Ashgrove, but from there then what we will be pointing you in the direction of is getting a home energy assessment completed. Home energy assessment would consist of a BER and a technical assessment. And beyond that, then it will offer some really good advice on what the best upgrades for your house would be, and where the house can make the best progress in terms of upgrading, becoming more energy efficient, becoming more comfortable and costing the homeowner less money.
Very good, very good. Well, so what kind of improvements do you recommend most often? Is it insulation, heating systems, solar panels, or is there other things people can do?
I get you. Like what we would typically say to homeowners is to really look at their house from a fabric first approach mainly, So what we would typically look at insulation and the least invasive measures that homeowners can upgrade their house and get the most bang for their buck. After that, then, like when you have a well insulated house, we can look at other options such as renewables, like the solar PV, like the heat pump, but also like some of those items will work really well on their own. So it's different measures for different houses, and it's something that we would look at on a case by case basis.
Very good, very good. And are there grants or financial supports available to help with the cost of making these improvements?
Yes, certainly. Like for almost every house in Ireland at the moment, there's the SEAI Home Energy Upgrade grants available. Homeowners can choose to avail of those grants either through the individual measures grant scheme, the community energy grant scheme, or the one-stop shop scheme. As well as that, if there's vacant or derelict properties around the country, they can avail of the vacant and derelict property grant there as well also.
Great, great. And how difficult is it to avail of these grants? Would people generally apply for them themselves, or would the contractor usually take care of it?
It depends. I suppose we in Ashgrove offer a lot of advice and assistance with those grant schemes, especially the community energy grant scheme and the one-stop shop scheme, where we do full kind of grant administration service there for homeowners and assist them in claiming those grants and drawing them.
Brilliant, brilliant. And how long typically does an energy upgrade project take from assessment through to installation?
Perfect. So like that would depend a lot on the type of house to start with, whether it was a full renovation project or whether it was kind of short simple measures to bring the house up. So again, what we kind of look at that is with our community energy grant scheme or a one-stop shop grant and what the suitability would be there. The community energy grant, we would really be looking at houses that would be maybe looking at a 6 to 12 month upgrade where a lot of renovation works will be done, and the one-stop shop we're probably talking about maybe between 1 month and 3 months, depending on again the works that are being completed. So it's different.
Depends on the
exactly.
Case by case, exactly. What changes have your customers noticed after investing in energy efficiency? Is there lower bills or more comfort, or is there other benefits too?
Yeah, typically it is number one a lower bill, but a lot of people are actually kind of amazed with the level of comfort that they hadn't expected maybe when they go about and complete some of these upgrades. Depending on the house they have now, when they have that energy upgrade, they're noticing a warmer house and more comfort in terms of things like consistent hot water available, and then at the end of the month they have a cheaper electricity bill or a cheaper energy bill overall. It amazes a lot of people.
All positive, exactly. And where can people learn more and get started with Ashgrove Renewables? What's the first steps?
I guess like that, if they want, they can contact our office or email us. And of course, we have our app, whatgrant.ie, if anyone would like to download that and learn more about or the grants that are available, or the services that we provide, and the seminars and webinars that we host. They're all available on our app there.
Excellent, excellent. Well, look, thank you very much for joining us today, Connor, and we really appreciate you being here to give advice to our members throughout the day.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.